The evolution of cameras is a fascinating journey that spans several centuries. Let's take a detailed look at how cameras have evolved over time. Camera obscura, 4th century. The concept of a camera dates back to ancient times, with the camera obscura being the earliest known form. It was a simple device that projected an image onto a surface through a small hole in a darkened room. However, it didn't have the capability to record the image permanently. Daguerreotype, 1839. Louis-Jacques Mandé Daguerre invented the daguerreotype, which is considered the first practical form of photography. It involved exposing a polished silver-coated copper plate to iodine vapor and then capturing the image with mercury vapor. The image produced was a unique positive image on a mirrored surface. Calotype, 1841. William Henry Fox Talbot introduced the calotype process, which allowed multiple prints to be made from a single negative. This method used paper coated with silver iodide and fixed with a salt solution. Wet plate collodion process, 1851. This process, invented by Frederick Scott Archer, improved the image quality and reduced exposure times compared to daguerreotypes. It involved coating a glass plate with collodion and sensitizing it with silver nitrate before exposure. The plate had to be developed and fixed while still wet. Dry plate process, 1871. Richard Leach Maddox introduced the dry plate process, which used glass plates with a dry gelatin emulsion. These plates were more convenient as they could be prepared in advance and used later. This development paved the way for portable cameras. Kodak Brownie camera, 1900. The Brownie camera, designed by Frank Brownell and George Eastman, was one of the first cameras to be mass-produced and marketed to the general public. It used roll film and was affordable, contributing to the popularization of photography. Kodak Pocket Camera, 1925. The Kodak Pocket Camera, also known as the Kodak Petite, was a compact and lightweight camera that used 127 film. Its small size made it very popular for casual photography. 35mm film, 1934. The introduction of 35mm film by Kodak revolutionized photography. It became the standard format for both amateur and professional photography due to its versatility, smaller size, and higher image quality. Single-lens reflex, SLR, cameras, 1940s. SLR cameras allowed photographers to see through the same lens that captured the image, providing more accurate framing and focusing. These cameras became the preferred choice for professionals. Instant cameras, 1948. The Polaroid Model 95 was the first commercially successful instant camera, allowing users to obtain a developed print within a minute after taking the picture. Digital cameras, 1975, 1990s. The advent of digital cameras marked a significant shift in photography. The first digital camera was developed by Kodak engineer Steve Sasson in 1975. However, it was only in the 1990s that digital cameras started to become more practical and accessible to the general public. Compact digital cameras, 1990s, early 2000s. The development of smaller, more compact digital cameras made digital photography more convenient and popular. These cameras used memory cards to store images and offered various features and settings. Camera phones, early 2000s. As mobile phone technology advanced, cameras were integrated into phones, making photography even more accessible and widespread. The quality of camera phones has improved significantly over the years. Mirrorless cameras. The late 2000s, 2010s, mirrorless cameras eliminated the need for the complex mirror and pentaprism system used in DSLRs. They offered interchangeable lenses and high-quality image sensors in a more compact body. Smart cameras and AI. Present, modern cameras often come equipped with advanced features like image stabilization, high-resolution sensors, fast autofocus systems, and smart AI-driven features like scene recognition, facial detection, and post-processing capabilities. 360-degree cameras and virtual reality. Present, with the rise of virtual reality and immersive content, 360-degree cameras have become popular, allowing users to capture and experience 360-degree photos and videos. The evolution of cameras continues to this day, with manufacturers constantly pushing the boundaries of technology to improve image quality, portability, and user experience.